गोय आनी भारतांतल्या कांय लोकांक आडनावाक लागून भविष्य निधी मेळपाक त्रास जाता। तांचे त्रास उणे करचे आनी भविष्य निधी संचालनालयाच्या सॉफ्टवेअरान बदल करपाची मागणी तृणमूळाचो खासदार डेरिक ओब्रायन राज्यसभेत केल्या।
डिसिल्वा डिक्रूज डिसा सारकेल्या गोंयकारांची आडनावां भविष्य निधी संचालनालयाच्या सॉफ्टवेअरान चलनात। ताका लागून लोकांचे कितलेशेच पयशे आडकून पडल्यात असो मुद्दो तृणमूळाचो खासदार डेरिक ओब्रायनान राज्यसभेत मांडलो।
Sir, the special mention is on the need to address the delay in dispersal of Provident Fund for those with Portuguese origin names in Goa and the rest of India. So, owing to the computer programming, people are facing hardship redeeming their Provident Fund, and NEFT transfers are being refused by the EPFO. So the software actually is unable to process any name which has an apostrophe or a dash in it.
Please.
EPFO officials are now asking individuals to change their surnames in government issued KYC documents such as Aadhaar, passport and PF processing. So the names were accepted earlier in these documents, but now they are not. Sir, asking to change such surnames, sir, is, you will agree, very unfair and illegal. Why should Indian citizens who have an apostrophe or a hyphen in their names be pressurized to change their names? Sir, this hurts citizens, especially the citizens of Goa. Let me tell you why. Because names with an apostrophe in their surnames, such as De Cruz, De Rosario, De Silva, De Gama, Desa, De Melo, these are common names, sir, especially from Salsette in South Goa. And there are many with these surnames who live across Goa, but especially in Nuvim, Fatorda, Kutturim, Margao, Naveli, Benauli, Velim, Kunkulam, no long list. I urge the government to modify the EPFO software to accommodate all names with apostrophes and hyphens. No one should be deprived of their Provident Fund, and no one in the beautiful state of Goa must be humiliated. Thank you, sir.
मात हो व्हिडिओ पळोवन तृणमूळाचो गोंयचो खासदार लुईझीन फालारो खंय आसा असो प्रस्न सोशल मिडियाचेर लोकांनी विचारलो। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही।